Okay, today is going to be the episode of what not to do. And I just thought I'd show off my nice new battery box I've been building here. I think it's great. But let's get down to the point here. So I'm watching a YouTube video. The guy's got thousands of viewers, subscribers. Yes, subscribers. Showing off his off-grid cabin he just built. And he gets to the solar. Okay, panels, cool, done right. Wiring, done right. Circuit breakers, cool. Set back in the wall in the box, nice. Battery box, okay, he's got it inside. Flooded lead acid, cool. Got a couple batteries in there. It's even vented. Cool. Looks like he's doing really good. But this is where he messed up. He put his inverter in this little battery box with his batteries. Well, there's a reason you vent those batteries, because they off gas. That's flammable. And he just put a inverter, possible, I'm going to say possible, ignition source in there. So that's why I'm going to call this the Hindenberg effect. That pops off that gas in there, it's going to blow that old box right out of his log cabin. And depending how much gas he's got in there. He was doing good. But, you know, I got to bring this up because he's got thousands of viewers. And I hope everybody's not listening to what he did right there. You know, viewing, think, oh, this is the right thing to do, is cram all these electronics in this box. I got plenty of space in this box here. You know what? You're not going to find one electronic piece in that. It's all going to be on the outside. And these are AGMs. These hardly off gas. That's the correct way to do it. Especially with a flooded lead acid. Keep your electronics out of the box and vent your box. And I hope nobody does what he does and has a big boo-boo. So that is going to be my first epic fail that I put on YouTube, and that's kind of why I started this channel, to give people the right advice. I'm not going to be the most popular. I don't have the greatest speaking voice, but I have a lot of knowledge, and I just want to keep you all down doing things the right way. But thanks for your time.